If you've ever been to the circus or a children's birthday party, you might understand the impulse to become a clown. Clowns make people laugh, they often have funny or entertaining performances, and they are always wearing outrageous outfits. Whether you want to pursue a career in clowning or just dress up for your kid's birthday party, start with these tips to become a convincing and hilarious clown. 1. Dressing as a clown. Wear a colorful wig. Many clowns wear wigs over their real hair. Be sure to try on your wig at a costume shop first to make sure it fits. Clowns often have rainbow-colored wigs. Wear a brightly colored printed shirt with big buttons. Wear something that fits your style, matches your outfit, and looks a little bit outrageous. Feel free to layer a bright jacket or blazer over your shirt too. Find one at either a costume shop or a thrift store. Wear oversized pants or overalls. Clowns often wear very bright colors and prints. They also wear a lot of primary colors. Choose pants that match your current ensemble. Buy these at a costume shop. Pajama pants will also work. Choose a bow tie or traditional tie in bright colors. Nothing is too loud or too outrageous for a clown outfit. Really large ties tend to look best on clowns because the rest of their outfits are already oversized. Wear elaborate socks. You can choose any pattern of sock as long as you think that it goes with the rest of your outfit. Tuck your pants into your socks if you really like your socks, to show them off. Wear oversized shoes. A typical clown wears enormous shoes that are bright and shiny. Look for a pair of these at a costume shop. Wear a class red clown nose. Not all clowns need red noses, but a red nose instantly identifies you as a clown. Buy some spare noses at a